Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. Today I'm at the Westerville Modelers Aeronautics Association, and I have my E-flite T-28. Super excited to fly it here off the grass. They keep this field really nice, and it's just beautiful out here this day. And just wanted to share this flight with you guys. Let's get this thing in the air. All right, we're in high rates. Throttle cut off. Go one click on the flaps to help pull it up out of the grass. Taking off to the left, we do have just a light breeze right now. Let's do it. Here we go, flap going up, gear going up. All right, it looks like everything's up. Oh yeah, looking good. All right, I was blinking, so I kept it up a little bit higher on that pass. About half throttle. Little roll. Trying to keep it inside the fence. Little wing over. Into a loop. I'm really having fun. I came out here to fly, and it's just beautiful, and hardly anybody out here and nobody else flying, so I kind of got the place all to myself. It's super nice. This is a pretty popular club. There's a lot of action usually here, but luckily today, I'm all by myself. Little wing over again. I have heard stories about the trees at this end, so I want to be careful. Let's take it down to this end, and I'll lower them flaps and see a nice low pass. Here we go, full flaps, about half throttle, and we're just going to creep it on by. And there you go, flaps going off. Really toying with that fence line. Little out the middle, bringing it back around. The wind kind of dropped it there because I turned so hard. Give it a little bit of power. It likes a little extra power when flying upside down. Bring it on around. Using the rudder to keep the tail up. Rolling out. Sorry if it got out of frame there, guys. The sun is beautiful, but it is bright. I'm getting down there a little bit farther than normal. Let's turn out. There we go. That sun, goodness. Take it up into the stall, letting it stall. Carried the throttle just a little bit to let it hover just a tiny bit. It just looks a little bit cleaner if you keep that throttle on. With these electric planes, especially me, I don't know about everybody, but I like to I tend to cut that throttle completely out, and it kind of flops. Let's circle back around this way. She just floats around. I love this airplane, guys. And put that gear down. There they are. We'll go one click on the flaps and do a touch and go. Here we go. Cut the throttle to slow it down some. There we're about quarter throttle. Touch and take off. And this time we'll go full flaps to really slow it down. I'm about half throttle as I make this turn, guys. Oh, okay, we'll pick speed up just a little bit. There we go, full flaps. Getting the 5-minute timer. She's on the ground smooth. And, that's the only thing about grass is sometimes it'll catch just a little bit. Even on the 3-wheel, it wants to knock it over just a touch, but as you can see, the E-flite T-28 1.2 meter handles the grass fine. Super happy to have this thing out today. So guys, man, big thanks to the Lord for a beautiful day out here today. And the E-flite T-28 just did a wonderful job. The wind has shifted just a little bit. It's actually coming kind of an angle like this now, where it was coming out of the left side of the runway, and I didn't realize it, so that probably had a little bit to do with why I had trouble down here. But anyways, the T-28 did great, got it on the ground smoothly, and super thankful to be able to be out here and fly. Is it still February? It's still February, or maybe it's the 1st of March by the time I get this video out. But man, T-28, I appreciate all your guys' support. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.